What's up, everybody? This is Lenny Bo with stuff I learned from YouTube. What y'all up to today? There's JR. What's that sweet boy? Look at him. Shop foreman in action. Yeah, we've been partying tonight. It's Friday, so we had double treats. Yeah, I just wanted to show you all the progress. I told you I'd make a part 2. This would just be a short one. I got the intake off. And egads, E-Marie. I'd like to show you this nastiness. Let me grab us a light. Dude, maybe Matt's shop will see it. 2000 GMC Sierra Stepside. Boogered headlights. Somebody painted the grill with some damn bed paint or some garbage like that. I don't know why they thought black would look better than the chrome. They covered up the damn... What color would you think that would be on the GMC? Why would you paint that? Looks terrible. Anyway, here's the valley. Look at it. I know some people have it worse, but you know, when your intake is leaking, it'll get that oily residue, especially when it's leaking around, you know, the cylinders. See if we can see in here. Oh, them old fumble fingers. There we go. There we go. The valves are pretty clean. My phone doesn't want to focus. There we go. Look at that. But it's just the runners that are all gross. Yeah, it's pretty gross under here. I'm going to give you some towels. Stuff it off. That way I can blow it out. And I'm going to stuff the towels. I'm going to stuff it plumb full. You know, stuff the towels all the way down to... all the way down to cover the, you know, so nothing goes down in the cylinders. Yeah, look at that. Juicy, huh? Yeah, I'm currently taking a screwdriver to it. I don't know why my phone is having a problem. That's what the problem was. I accidentally touched the zoom. Yeah, look how juicy that is. Ugh. 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 It's like it even had some blockage, huh? 350. Burnt piston. That's one of these days. You know, I could get away with honing this thing out. Just putting it back together. It's a 4-bolt main. Oh, yeah, there's a piston sitting right in front of me, I think. Nope, that's not the one. There it is, right here. Yeah, I know, this garage is nasty, man. It's coming, cleaning day's coming. Look at there. Hard to see it. Well, you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking the rings are stuck. and I don't think it was getting enough fuel to the carburetor. I put a clickety clack on it. I don't think it was getting enough fuel to the carburetor, and I think that's why it burnt. But it detonated. I couldn't get it in time either. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't use the timing light. There we go. Maybe we can see down in there now. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I'm gonna stuff me some towels down in there, and I'm gonna really get to grooving on that. Clean that shit out. That is undesirable. It's all get out. The valves look pretty good though. It's just all the around it. Yep. That's my deal. This one here is just a short one to let you all see what progress I've been making on it. I've been working this week, so I'm not like Dan the man up in Canada who frickin' works till 2 in the frickin' morning after work. I'm lazy when I get home. But I'm gonna unlazy myself. The wifey poo was supposed to go get me some shop towels today, and she didn't go. Speaking of lazy. She thinks only women are allowed to bitch, but I got news for her. But everything came apart good. Even this, I thought that would be stuck, but, you know, seeing how it worked, the EGR, hell, it come off no problem. The grossness is palpable in here, though, isn't it? I wish GM would put any kind of metal somewhere. Yep. I got an engine kit, and I was looking through it. I may take these steam pipes out, and reseal those. I don't believe that would hurt at all. And maybe take this valley plate off and reseal it, maybe. I don't know, I'll have to look. And I think somebody's already done the intake once. Well, at least I'm hoping they have. Because that's some fancy looking stuff on that loom for the knock sensors. So I'm gonna skip them. With 300-some thousand miles, surely it's been done. But man, this thing was just bucking. I put it on I scanned it, and it showed lean on both banks, and that's when I knew. I said, oh yeah, it's intake time. And then I smoke machined it. I had to because I bought it. Even though I didn't need to, I better use it because my wife is starting to really bitch at me. I've been buying tools and not using them. I said, but I need them. I just haven't done the job yet. But for what they cost, every garage should have a smoke machine in it. There's no excuse for it. You can buy a smoke machine for like $30, $35. I know budgets are tight. But even if you, I watched a video and the guy took a cigar in a Harbor Freight, the little fluid transfer pump. Which, what are those? $12? $15? And he frickin' put the cigar in one end and pumped it into his intake with the other through a vacuum line. Boom. Smoke machine. I thought it was cool, but I wanted a real smoke machine because of the attachments. And boy howdy, did it work. It was like instantaneous. I was getting some smoke out of the throttle body, but I'm hoping that was just the seal, the gasket, which I got a new one. I got a whole kit over here. What's left of it. I'm going to put these green ones on there. I know they say get the black ones, but I got these. Why wouldn't I? Let's see. Remain. There it is. There's a throttle body. There. I'm going to use it. And there's grommets galore. There's seals galore in here. I'd be crazy not to take them steam pipes loose. Here's the seal. For that valley pan. The hell was that? Oh, I'm gonna lose that. I got this thing from Molly, man, and it was reasonable. As many of us got LS's running around, you should just have one in your garage. Yep. I know I'm spending other people's money, but still, I mean, why not? Why not have something that you're gonna need? You're gonna need it. Look, you guys on this stand. There we go. I don't know how long I can talk to you. I ain't charged my phone all day. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a bit of an update. Talk to you for a minute. I like talking to you. Here's our throttle body. Look at that in there. Where's our light? Look at that. Now, I'm working on it a little bit every time I come up here and let these dogs in. Look how bad it was built up in here. I'm going to pull this sensor out. This one right here. I'm going to clean up on it. I don't think I'm going to mess with the throttle position sensor. I think it'd be alright. Yeah, 9 times out of 10, even if you just go to AutoZone and get the codes read, you know, instead of spending like, I don't know, you can buy a scan or code readers now for like 35, 40 bucks. And the ones you just plug in and go through your phone. Like, I don't know about iCarly. I've never checked to see how much that was, but scanners are just, prices just bottomed out on those things. I got mine for Christmas, and I messed up when I bought it. I could have got the updated one, but I accidentally hit the wrong button, and I was just all to hell, man. It's like it shipped instantly. And I wanted to return it and get the other one, but I just didn't. I don't know why. My laziness coming out. But anyway, I just want to give you guys a quick update. I'm going to go back down to the house. It's after 9 here. Go back down there and see if we've blown anything up. I cannot tell if this is... My eyeballs are just extra blurry tonight. But anyway, thanks for watching. Just wanted to update you real quick. This is Lenny Bo with stuff I learned from YouTube. Anyway, check back here and well, I'll do another video tomorrow. Hopefully I have this thing back together tomorrow evening. Shouldn't take too long if I don't fiddle with it too much. But that's the update. See y'all later. Lenny out.